What's the meaning of creeping? Creeping. Creeping.
Creeping. Creeping. Creeping refers to the slow and gradual movement or advancement of something, often in a cautious or sneaky manner. The result of creeping can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, if someone is creeping up on another person, the result may be surprise or fear. If a problem is slowly creeping into a system, the result may be a breakdown or malfunction. Overall, creeping can imply a sense of caution, stealth, or progression that is not necessarily desirable or welcome.